ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
The St. Joseph Services invites admission for MBBS in India and abroad. For more details, contact 94361 19558. Kasyat nongkrem kabadai kasyat lenyam jo hima khairim kalas dang da nok kejat hakasngi yodo kata hakakat wai terik ubna naiwing arhajar arpuwei yakabala penlong hakasnong smith bat yakaba ansa penkut pat hakasngi lingka jong kakat ar terik ubna naiwing arhajar arpuwei kajing penlong yakani kajing syat kalong ban aingo aidem hakablai sensar da kaduai kapirat bahkan kerku kerdo bahkan rap karyang kan bah kan miat hagani gaski la sakhilang do menteri rangba jong ka jella u Konrad kongkal sangma u MLA jong ka Maurang Keneng constituency u ba penyait sings aim us aim jong ka hima khairim u Dr Balajit sings aim ki bakra batri lembat ki khon ki hajar jong ka hima khairim ki balawan banya shimbenta hagani ka no phai sngi hagani ka shat nongkrem ki nongwan jengok kai perthai ban nabar ka jella bat kumjuru nabar kari India ki ju wan poi hakasnong smith ban sakhi yakane ka jingshat kabala paunam jong ka jaj benreu khasi
Aku makan itu apa? Oh, cow. Giống như gì là má?
Best to maintain it, and that future generations can also learn from it. And that's why, after speaking to Paim and to the other elders of CM of Khairem and all the other organizers out here, and even our elected representatives, we have just decided that we will, from the government, we will give our support to develop this particular place where this ritual is being held for more than 100 years, almost 200 years. Ritual is being held in this very precise location, and yet there's not enough development to promote that, and also to attract tourists is not happening. So I'm happy to inform you also that I have decided that we will be supporting and giving infrastructural support out here, so that this could become a permanent site, which it already is, but have the required amenities, and also become a good tourist attraction to really showcase the rich heritage and the rich culture that our people and our state has.
Today we are celebrating the Nongkram Dams. Tomorrow will be the final day, the 12th November. But today is a very, very important and auspicious day for us, because we pay obeisance to God Almighty and also to the deity of Himachal, Shillong. So we have done the rituals, we have done the sacrifice, and the dance is there now. Where, along with what we have, we also have to follow some protocols because of the situation, the pandemic situation that still prevails. Though it has lessened quite a lot, and protocols have been relaxed. So we look forward to God Almighty to bless us during our festival, so that the coming months will see us have a clear, clean nature where the pandemic is done with ultimately. And we hope that God will bless us in bounty, because we have suffered so much, the people have suffered much for the last 1 year, more than a year now, because of the restrictions and pandemic situation. And hopefully all this will go after this festival of ours, Nongkrem Dance. Very positive and good signs prevail, and hopefully that the reality will come in the days to come. That all this is done with, and that we'll have better days ahead.